Hi, my name's Chris Williams. I'm the FoxESS CNI Sales Manager, and today I'm going to talk to you about the H3 Plus, which is the commercial workhorse of the industry. It's got multiple power outputs taking you from 50 kilowatt right the way up to 125 kilowatt. And we've got 4 to 8 MPPTs on there with up to 2 strings per MPPT, which gives great flexibility to installers. The H3 Plus can be paralleled up to 10, which gives us incredible flexibility when we're looking at pairing that with our battery systems, including the CQ16, which I'll discuss with you shortly. The H3 Plus can run your site, charge demand and peak shave, all off of one platform. Everything in one box. The H3 Plus is ideal for a variety of large usage projects. So if you're looking at large industrial sites, warehouses, manufacturing, this is where the H3 Plus really comes into its own. It can take 250 kilowatt of DC power and up to 1,000 volts of DC. The CQ16 is the ideal partner for the H3 Plus, and in combination, they deliver exceptional performance on large-scale energy usage sites.